Welcome to part 3 of how to program the kinematic equations into your TI-83 or TI-84 calculator. Before we begin this, we're going to use predetermined values of all the variables just to make sure that the program is running efficiently and correctly. For this, we're going to use the values acceleration equals 5, displacement equals 10, velocity equals 10, initial velocity equals 0, and time equals 2. Now, to start this program, you're going to hit the program key, and then you're going to hit alpha and then K, which will bring you down to any program that has K as its first letter. Once you find Kinemat, select it, and then hit enter one more time. This will bring us to a display of all the variables and then their corresponding numbers 1 through 5. Then hit enter one more time, and it's going to ask you which variable we are going to solve for, 1 through 5. Now, we're going to try and solve for acceleration on this first one, which would correspond to a value of 1. So for n, we hit 1 and then enter. And then it's going to ask us what are our known variables. Hit enter one more time, and it's going to give you numerical values associated with 3 other variables, 1 through 4. Hit enter one more time, and it's going to ask us to choose one of these 4 options. Now for this one, we're going to choose the second option, which corresponds to known variables for velocity, initial velocity, and displacement. So hit 2 and then enter. Then it's going to ask us to input a value for velocity. In this case, it would be 10. Hit enter. Now it is asking us to input an initial velocity value. This one is going to be 0. Lastly, it's going to ask us to input a displacement value, which will be 10. Hit enter, and then it says variable equals, and it should be 5, which, as calculated beforehand and stated by me beforehand, is the correct value. Now, let's test another variable. Let's say time. So, bring up that program again, and then hit enter to solve for n. And this time we're going to say time, which is 5. So 5 and then enter. And it's going to ask us for which variables we already know, and then give us a list of ones that it needs, 1 through 4. Hit enter one more time, and we're going to use option 2 again, which this time corresponds to acceleration, velocity, and displacement. So input 2 for x, hit enter, then it's going to ask us for our acceleration value. This time it's going to be 5, hit enter. It's going to ask us for velocity this time at input 10, and it's going to ask us for our displacement, which is 10 also. Hit enter. Now, I wanted to bring you to this one in particular because it's an example of one of the options that has 2 possible outcomes. This particular one has 2 outcomes of both of them equaling 2. However, there will be certain times where you have different values for them. In that case, use your best judgment to determine which one is the correct value. Like if there's a negative value for time, that's obviously going to be the wrong answer, and so you'd pick the positive one. Thank you for taking the time to stay with me through this entire process, and I hope this program benefits you.